Hello. This video is to demonstrate biometric physical access as well as multi-factor biometric logical access using the SentryCard platform. Sentry Enterprises, the maker of the SentryCard, has numerous patents and extensive expertise in thin film microelectronic manufacturing. In conjunction with industry-leading componentry from the likes of HID, NXP, or FPC, we have been able to build the SentryCard platform. The SentryCard platform is essentially a computer the size of a credit card, with most importantly, the addition of a biometric fingerprint sensor that serves as an on and off switch to confirm identity of the card holder. What you're looking at in front of you is a variety of physical access readers provided by the likes of HID or wavelengths. As you know, a current card, what I'm holding in my hand is nothing more than an HID I-class card. If this card is found, whether in the lobby or the parking lot, or grabbed by somebody on the inside, you can walk up to doors and it will open those doors. Right? Today's security is based on possession of something or knowing something like a username and password. We believe there's a better way. With the SentryCard, if I have a SentryCard that somebody else owns and I hold it to a door, nothing happens. Only when I biometrically authenticate the finger that was enrolled and hold it to the reader does it open the door. So it's a very simple use case demonstration. It's a very sophisticated piece of technology behind it, but essentially the card is invisible unless biometric authentication takes place, and only then does it function. And critically, you don't need to rip and replace your existing infrastructure to use a SentryCard because we've built it using the componentry that interacts with the industry standard devices. The next thing that I want to show you is biometric multi-factor logical access. What you're looking at in front of you is a Dell computer that has HID's digital persona software loaded upon it. Digital persona is one of dozens of access control softwares that are made for computing that tie back to your Active Directory. Then you either have a device that has NFC within it like a Dell computer, or you may use a small wedge reader that connects over USB. The point here is whether in the office or working from home, if I want to eliminate username and passwords or soft or hard tokens, what the SentryCard affords is a biometric authentication, and then hold it to the device and it logs you into the computer without a username, password, or PIN. Then based on your business rules, it may time out from inactivity or from lack of keystrokes or the removal of the credential. So think of it as a biometric on and off switch for logical access into computing that proves the person logging in is the person. The final use case is proximity detection, and it's hard to demonstrate, but the card itself has a UHF antenna inside of it. And what UHF allows us to do is passively track the location of a card holder when they're inside your building. The primary use case there is for mustering, emergency evacuations, where you would put antennas over the door, and that way when people are running in or out of the building, you would know in real time who's in or who's out. With the advent of COVID, contact tracing has become more and more relevant, and with this capability inside the SentryCard, you would also have the ability to report on those that came in sick, who they've been around, where they've been, all using your existing infrastructure.